Everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add company address to your Intuit QuickBooks account. Now once you add company address, let's say when we first register we didn't put in the address, or with the address we want to change it. So let's do something about that. First of all, from the home page you click on the name of your company, which will open up this page where you can manage your accounts and settings. And then you scroll down until you see address, then you see company address. Click on the pencil icon. Now note that the company address is the address where your company is based. This address is used to calculate applicable taxes for your QBO subscription and is your default company address. So you put in the street address. Let's say this. I put in the street address, I've put in all the information. But let me show you step by step, just to be on the safe side. The first place is for the street address, second place is for the city, third place is for the state, and the last part here, the last field here is for the zip code. Street address is the first thing you're going to input, followed by the city, followed by the state, and then the zip code. So now I'm going to put it in once again. And then this is my company address. You can also use it as this customer facing address. Remember, customer facing address or customer facing anything is where the customers can contact you to be shown on the sales form. So customer facing, over here we have customer facing email. It is the email in which the customer can contact you and to be shown on your sales form. So customer facing address also is the address where customers can contact you or send payments and to be shown on your sales form. So if you don't want it to be seen as a company address, you can turn it up here on mark it and then write the new address where you want them to contact you or send payments to. But if you want to use the same, just tick this box and it will be the same. Then your legal address. Now your legal address is used for filing taxes. It's used for filing taxes, so you need to check it. If it's the same as your company address, you're good to go. You just check. If it's not, uncheck it and then fill it in and then click on save. So for mine it's the same. So once I'm through, I gotta click on save. And next thing you need to click on is done. It's as simple as that. And that is how to change, just how to add company address to your Intuit QuickBooks account. Hope you find this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.